I now welcome Dr. C. Umarani, the Director, Center for Research, Anna University, to deliver the concept note about this program.
Good morning. First of all, let me congratulate all the research scholars who are admitted in this July 2022 session for being a part of this reputed university, Anna University, and who is going to contribute to the development of our nation by carrying out cutting-edge research in their respective fields. We know research plays an important role in the development of economic development of a country. In fact, research and development form the basis of future competitiveness of an economy. Research contributes to the individual development also with commercial, social, and educational advantages. So when we talk about the university research, it creates knowledge that lead to new technologies, commercial products, and development of industries that have significant impact on the economy of a nation. Research success is a key indicator of the sophistication of a university. So it is a yardstick by which academic reputation is measured. Research is critical to the advancement of Anna University's reputation among other colleges and universities. The NIRF, the National Ranking System, has ranked Anna University as one of the top 10 technical institutions and universities in India for many years, mainly because our university's research contribution. So in the 4 campuses, when you see, we have many centers, many autonomous centers are there, like Center for Environmental Studies, Center for Water Resources, Institute of Remote Sensing. So we have many centers, particularly when we talk about in civil engineering, which is the oldest one. So many centers are there. I am not able to name fully. We do lot of research, and the research contribution to the nation from Anna University is much higher, and in ranking also we are in the top 10 level. So the word research, it is re and search, which means a systematic investigation to gain new knowledge from already existing one. So the Center for Research, it has taken many measures to promote research at Anna University under the able guidance of our eminent professor and administrator, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Velraj. So I like to highlight few important measures so that are implemented recently, which will enable you all to carry out research more efficiently. The first one is the introduction of this induction program. As you all know, this induction program is conducted for the second time. The first time it was conducted in March, and this is the second time. So attending these programs, we made it mandatory because you should know at the initial stages itself, so what is to be done. So after spending say more than a year, and if you are not able to, so whatever, the lectures are arranged from the eminent personalities. So like from University of Madras, now our Shankara Narayanan sir has come. He is, Professor Shankara Narayanan, we have invited many eminent personalities from Anna University, from IIT, and from other central universities and institutes also. Mainly, this will enable you to gain knowledge. So actually, we have gained knowledge from our experience. All these experiences are shared within 3 days. So that is the main aim. So this will save a lot of time for you to start your research earlier so that you can complete in an efficient way. So this is about this induction program. In the first induction program, which was conducted in March, so the topics like research methodology, technical writing, reading, digital resources, what are the choices available and how to use them. Even many students, even when after they complete, they may not be knowing what are the resources available, so that the literature survey can be done easily. So we are introducing at the initial stages itself. So data collection, data analysis, so how to write a non-plagiaristic research, do research, data presentation. So these are the topics which were covered in the previous induction program, whereas in this second induction program, we tried an other way. Like actually we are not repeating the topics which were covered in the induction program 1. All the programs, all the lectures which were covered in the previous lecture, it is available in our CFR website. So in the video gallery, when you look into this, so all the lectures are given. So please refer it, okay, so that we are not repeating it. So this time we have added few more topics like joy of research. Actually, Professor Balaji, he has written a number of books on research. So he is going to deliver you this joy of research. And the other lecture by Professor Ganesh, the next lecture, it is about where is your research going. So he is a professor from management studies. So he will give a lot of inputs about this research. Then research planning and development by Dr. Ganesh, and research paper writing, a role of geospatial technology in research and development by T. Subramani, our own professor. And I want to mention here that our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Velraj, is an eminent researcher and who has been given, actually he is recognized as top 2% scientist in the field of energy by Stanford University. So in the same way, I think Subramani has also received the same recognition as top 2% scientist. So all the professors who are going to handle lectures in this induction program, they are eminent personalities. So please remember that. And one more thing I wanted to say here is, these lectures are always available in our website. Okay, so even this is your first semester. When you go to the higher semesters also, please refer the other video lectures, so that everything will be useful. Because nowadays we need to go for the interdisciplinary research. This time we have invited Professor Murthy Babu, who is our professor from Crystal Growth Center. So he will say about the opportunities in research on materials. You can say that I am other say computer branch. Why do I want to attend this? Because nowadays interdisciplinary research is the order of the day. So you need to have idea about all other fields also. Say for example, so this opportunities in research on materials. Suppose if you are able to use these materials in your field, then definitely it will be useful. So just have some broad idea. We have arranged this. Then instrumentation in research, it is given by Prakash, Dr. J. Prakash, who is Dean MIT campus. So in civil engineering, but particularly for bridge monitoring, we use sensors. All these sensors that come under this instrumentation. How to go for better instruments. So that we can go for as interdisciplinary research. So research ethics is given by our Professor Shankara Narayanan, who is also here. And English paper writing. And finally, you'll be introduced about this PhD regulations, which you should always know that PhD regulations, what is given in regulation, you should be thorough. Okay, so please refer our website for this. So this is about these programs. And the second initiative, what we have done is formation of Research Advisory Committee domain-wise. What is this? What is the purpose of going for this Research Advisory Committee? Normally, we consider some objectives. So we refer some we do the literature survey, we find the research gap, and we'll identify what are the objectives, and you'll be working on it. Finally, at one stage, you'll be coming to know that the whatever objectives you have chosen may be slightly wrong, or it should be in the other way. So what we have done is, so we'll be forming a committee which is called the Research Advisory Committee domain-wise. Okay, and those committees will actually, they will give some technical advice. So we'll be arranging some meetings with Research Advisory Committee, meetings of research scholars with the Research Advisory Committee. You need to make some presentations. So this is mandatory for the university department scholars, and this is optional for the other scholars. Suppose if we receive some request from affiliated institutions, we'll definitely do the we'll arrange the meetings with the Research Advisory Committee domain-wise, so that you'll be getting the technical advice. At the initial stage itself, during confirmation, that is before confirmation, you can fix your objective. You can be sure that your objectives, whatever you have chosen, is correct. So that you can complete your research as early as possible within the stipulated time. So this is the second one, Research Advisory Committee. And the third one is award for the outstanding publications. So this is our as per our directions of our Vice Chancellor, we have formulated two things. One is for the scholar, the other is for the, you may be knowing this. Actually today we thought we can go for giving outstanding PhD thesis award. So what is outstanding PhD thesis award? This time we are going to give this to only one scholar. Only one scholar was selected for this award who has completed his degree in the 42nd convocation. The thing is, we'll be checking your publications. Publications is very important. Suppose if you are able to publish minimum 5 papers in Q1 journals. So what is Q1 journal? You'll be going to know this, the top 25% journal. So suppose if you are able to publish 5 papers in a reputed, that is Q1 journal, you'll be given this award. So you can start working from day one itself. From today onwards, you need to start working towards achieving this goal. Okay, so we have introduced 2 awards for the students and 1 award for the supervisor. So these are the initiatives which we have recently taken. One more thing, actually we wanted to have some industry collaboration also. So what we thought is we need to encourage scholars from industry. So we made some changes in the norms, and also I think this time also we have admitted around 28 scholars from industry. And I think in the next January 2023, we expect more number of scholars from industry also. Anyway, all the best. You can start working from today onwards. So that is our, so the research promotion policy says that we should encourage research. So these are the ways we are just trying to make you work hard, and so that our university will also benefit from your contribution. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So I hope that now you have got a clear idea of what this program is and the importance of publications focusing on your research